Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices so pairing succeeds. Put the watch on charger, then open the watch app on your phone. Make sure phone Bluetooth is on and permissions are accepted. On the watch, open the pairing or Bluetooth screen and set it to visible or pairing mode. Once done, the app will search automatically. Keep the devices within 1 meter and disable airplane mode. This first step prevents common failures and speeds up the automatic discovery process. After the app finds your watch, you'll confirm the connection by matching the PIN or code shown on both devices, except on each device to establish trust. Next, allow the app to access location and notifications so GPS data and alerts flow correctly. Make sure to enable background app refresh or battery optimization exceptions so syncing continues. Then configure data sync frequency and GPS mode. These choices affect battery life and tracking accuracy. You're finishing by starting a manual sync and verifying the watch uploads activity and shows GPS fixes in the app. Open a short walk or run to confirm live tracking. If syncing stalls, restart the watch and phone and reopen the app because many glitches clear with a reboot. If problems persist, unpair in the app and pair again, or reset the phone's Bluetooth and network settings as a last resort. This troubleshooting tip saves time and often restores a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.